Hello everyone. Today we will learn about globe. Okay? Latitude and longitudes. Chapter 2, Class 6 NCERT. In the previous chapter, you have read that our planet Earth is not a sphere. It is slightly flattened at the north and the south poles and bulk in the middle. Can you imagine how it looks? You may look at a globe carefully in your classroom. To get an idea, globe is a true model miniature form of the earth. Figure 2.1, you can see it. Okay, globes may be varying size and type. Big ones which cannot be carried easily, small pocket globes and globe like balloons which can be inflated and are handy and carried with easy. The globe is not fixed. It can be rotated the same way as a top spin or a potter's wheel is rotated. On the globe, countries, continents, and oceans are shown in their correct size. It is difficult to describe the location of a point on a sphere like the Earth. Now, the question arises as to how to locate a place on it. We need certain points of reference and lines to find out the location of places. You will notice that a needle is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner, which is called its axis. Two points on the globe through which the needle passes are two poles, North Pole and South Pole. The globe can be moved around this needle from west to east, just as the earth moves. But remember, there is a major difference. The real earth has no such needle. It moves around its axis, which is an imaginary line. Let's do it. Take a big round potato or a ball, push a knitting needle through it. The needle resembles the axis shown in a globe. You can now move the potatoes at the ball around this axis from left to right. Another imaginary line running on the globe divided it into two equal parts. This line is known as the equator. The northern half of the earth is known as the northern hemisphere and the southern half of is known as southern hemisphere. They are both equal halves. Therefore, the equator is an imaginary circular line and is a very important reference point to locate places on the earth. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallel of latitudes. Latitudes are measured in degrees. The equator represents the 0 degree latitude. Since the distance from the equator to either of the poles is 1/4 of a circle round the earth, it will measure 1/4 of 360 degree, that is 90 degree. Thus 90 degree north latitude marks the north pole and 90 degree south latitude marks the south pole. As such, all parallel north of the equator are called north latitudes. Similarly, all parallel south of the equator are called south latitudes. Oh my god. Wait. What is this? Sorry for this. Um, as such, all parallel north of the equator are called north latitudes. Similarly, all parallel south of the equator are called south latitudes. The value of each latitude is therefore followed by either the word north or south. Generally, this is indicated by the letter N or S. For example, both chapter in Maharashtra sorry, both Chandrapur in Maharashtra, India and Belo Horizonte in Brazil, South America are located on parallel is about 20 degree latitude, but the former is 20 degree north of equator and the latter is 20 degrees south of it. We therefore say that Chandrapur is situated at 90 degree north latitude and Belo Horizonte is situated 20 degree south latitude. We see in figure 2.2 that as we move away from equator, the size of the parallel of latitude decrease. What is this? You can see the latitude here, figure 2.2. Here it's equator, 20 degrees south, 20 degree north, 40 degree north, 60 degree north, 80 degree north, north pole, and here you can find south pole. Okay, do you know, by measuring the angle of the poles star from your place, you can know the latitude of your place. Important latitudes, heat zones. Okay, here, look here, this is equator, torrid zone, 0 degree. Okay, this is tropic of cancer, 20 degree 23 and half degree n means north. North temperate zone, here it you can find it arctic circle. Here frigid zone, north pole, 66 and half degree north. Tropic of Capricorn, 23 and half degree south. South temperate zone, uh, wait, Antarctic circle, frigid zone, साउथ पोल. और अंटार्कटिक सर्कल किस पे है? 66 and half degree south. Okay, important parallel of latitudes. Beside the equator 0 degree, the north pole and the 90 degree north and south pole 90 degree s. There are four important parallels of latitude. Tropic of Cancer, 23 and half degree north. In the northern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn, 23 and half degrees s. In southern hemisphere, Arctic Circle at 66 and half degree north of equator, and Antarctic Circle 66 and half degree south of the equator. Heat zones of the earth. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on the latitude in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This area therefore receives the maximum heat and is called the torrid zone. The midday sun never shines overhead on any latitude beyond the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The angle of the sun rays goes on decreasing towards the poles. As such, the areas bound by the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Atlantic Circle in the southern